Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Orbit, where we make complex topics simple and easy to understand. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency. If you've ever wondered what it is and how it works, this video is for you. Let's get started. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? Simply put, cryptocurrency is digital money. Unlike the cash in your wallet or the money in your bank account, it exists entirely online. There's no physical coin or bill. It's all digital. Cryptocurrencies are powered by a technology called blockchain, which keeps transactions secure and transparent. Now you might be thinking, how is this different from my online bank transfer or digital payment apps? Great question. Traditional money is controlled by banks and governments. When you transfer money online, banks verify that transaction. But with cryptocurrency, there's no bank involved. Instead, thousands of computers around the world verify and record the transaction on a blockchain. This makes crypto decentralized, meaning no single person or institution has control over it. Let's talk about some of the popular cryptocurrencies you may have heard of. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Ethereum, not just a currency, but a platform for building apps on the blockchain. Dogecoin, originally created as a joke but became famous thanks to the internet. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own features and use cases. When you send or receive cryptocurrency, that transaction gets recorded on the blockchain. Think of it like a giant digital ledger that everyone can see but no one can change. Transactions are verified through a process called mining or staking, depending on the type of cryptocurrency. People use cryptocurrency for several reasons. Fast transactions. Sending money across borders is much faster than traditional methods. Lower fees. Crypto transactions often have lower fees. Privacy. You don't need to share as much personal information. Investment. Many people buy cryptocurrencies hoping their value will increase over time. Cryptocurrency is secure because of blockchain technology. However, it's important to be careful. Use secure wallets and avoid sharing your private keys. And that's a simple explanation of what cryptocurrency is. I hope this video helped clear things up. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more beginner-friendly crypto content. See you next time.